Campbell Newman off there, about to go on to